Assalamualaikum friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful bevel stone crafts ideas. So friends, I will show you. So I hope we will share enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is beavers. Friends and weavers. One of the most popular ideas is a bevel wall art. Arrange bevels into simple pictures like family, bird on a tree, French flowers, or house. Glue them into a wooden board or condense into a small details with the black marker. This creates a modern and meaningful decoration. And another lovely project is making paint bevels. Paint flower, butterfly, heart, smiley face, or colorful patterns on smooth stone parts. Paint work best after the paint dries. Add a clear to protect your artwork. And friends, weavers, friends, bevel are also perfect for creating garden marker. Paints the name of herb, vegetables, or flower or on a large flat stone. Place them in your garden to help identify each plant while adding a decorative touch. And weavers, my next idea is beavers. Friends, another creative ideas are decorative flower pots. Attach bevels around a clay pot using strong glue. The nature stones finish look beautiful both indoor and outdoor. And weavers, friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers.